Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, May 26, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Memorial Day. You know, we want to honor and remember those who have died while serving our country. And we also want to give deep gratitude to those who continue to serve our country to allow us the freedoms that we have. So I know a lot of people who have today off, who have, regular 9-to-5 jobs. And long weekends shouldn't just be for holidays, right? I mean, everybody should have long weekends. It should become a lifestyle. And that's what I'm going to talk to you about. But before I get started, if you've never seen any of my videos, I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been fortunate enough to be working for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, I believe like over 60% of adult Americans nowadays have side hustles. And a lot of the side hustles involve a lot of work, like driving Uber or door dashing or Instacart, whatever it may be. And you can get similar or even better results by creating your own mailbox money empire. All right. Now, I can't guarantee that you'll get any results because it's all dependent on your work ethic. And most people, they don't have very good work ethics. But the people who join me and follow exactly what I teach and take massive action, they get results. All right. And just like I get results because I show up every day and I'm committed to the programs and opportunities that I'm a part of, and I stay committed. And that's what you have to do if you want success. But long weekends shouldn't be just for holidays. All right. It should be every single day. Like, I look at every day as like, there's no weekend for me because I do what I want every day. I have the time freedom that allows me to do this, right? It's 11:47 right now as I record this, a.m. And I just went over to the soap shop. We're closed today, but I just went over there to empty some dehumidifiers. And now I'm going back to the house to continue working on my lawn. And then later on, Tina and I will probably go out for lunch or dinner. And I have to do some grocery shopping. But I'm free to do whatever I want to today. This morning, I stuffed about 75 envelopes that I'm getting ready for tomorrow. And, having time freedom is true freedom. Being able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow. That's the ultimate freedom. On top of being healthy. All right, I always say, if you're wealthy and not healthy, it doesn't do you any good. But if you're healthy and wealthy, life can be really good, right? And you have time freedom, life can be awesome. There's no boss telling you what to do. But you have to stay consistent with whatever it is you're doing as far as marketing goes to get the results that you want. Because if you're just doing a post every 2 weeks or just making a video once a month, that's not going to bring in the results that you're looking for. It's not going to give you life-changing income, right? You have to commit and not quit. And show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent even when things look like they're not going your way. That's what you have to do. So I just wanted to make this video and to let everyone know that you can have that lifestyle. You just have to choose that lifestyle. You have to choose this. Not just think about it, right? The $1 million check isn't going to show up in the mail for you. It's just not. You have to commit to what it is that you are, your opportunity that you're in or whatever services that you're offering, and show up every day and treat it like a real business. If we don't show up to our soap company, we don't make any money. So that's what you have to do. And anybody can do it. Right? So when you join me, you get a resource page. It has all my resources. You get my letter template that I use to send out in all my mailings. You get my contact information so you can reach out to me when you have any questions or need any assistance. And I'm here to help those who are willing to help themselves out. All right? If you're a tire kicker, don't even bother. I don't like people who waste my time. And I certainly won't waste your time when you join me. I'm going to be there to help you out. But don't waste my time. There's too many tire kickers. I'm looking for real action takers who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income so that you can have a weekend every single day of the week and not worrying about going to your 9-to-5 job. If you're one of those people, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out, and I'll help out anybody. It doesn't matter if you've never marketed before or if you've been involved in the work from home space for the last 20 years. It doesn't matter. I'll help everybody out. But if you're a tire kicker who's just looking for think you're going to make the quick buck by just, joining a program and getting rich overnight, that's not going to happen. This takes work. It takes work. But I can tell you one thing. The work is a lot easier than going to a 9-to-5 job, right? It just is. It just flat out is. So if you're willing to put in the work and show up every day, then you can get results. All right? So I hope you're having a great rest of your day. I hope you have a great rest of your day, whatever you're doing today. And just know that I'm here to help you out. All right? So with that being said, remember those who served us and gave their lives for our freedom, and have deep, deep gratitude for those who continue to serve to allow us what we have today. All right? We're a great country here. Lots of potential. This is a great time to be alive, and there's no better time than now than to build a mailbox money empire. All right? We are really going back into a golden age, and things are going to get better. It takes time to switch things around, but I have all the faith in the world that things will be, flipped around for us, and the best is yet to come. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.